let's take a look at how to use ChatGPT for business ideas. If you want to start a business but don't know where to begin, ChatGPT can be a great brainstorming partner, helping you find and refine business ideas. To generate business ideas, you can separate it into various steps, such as the idea generation part, narrowing down by industry, validating your idea, creating a business model and revenue model, as well as market research. So starting off, if you want business ideas, prompts so that you can get business ideas that can work out for you. So you can give it a simple prompt like this, and it's going to give you business ideas with low startup cost. For example, if you select a business idea, you can niche it down further by writing in a prompt which says what are the trending business ideas. So for example, if you select the food industry, you can write the food industry topic, and it's going to niche down the trending ideas for that particular industry. Similar to this, as I said, you can use ChatGPT as well to create business models or revenue models, and for market research help as well. Lastly, you can generate an action plan so that you can follow along with the step-by-step process. So that's all there is in using ChatGPT to generate business ideas. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.